including managers, therapists, hairdressers, beauticians, and all. So during this time, it's very difficult to go out and search job because no companies is working at that well, and they are not providing good salaries to the employees as well. So we have very less contacts as per the hotels are concerned. They are already closed, and if the day spas are concerned, we are not dealing with all the day spas because we are not knowing the authenticity of the spas and how professional they are. We must know about this, and most of the spas we already know that these are closed. So, and otherwise the person who are working in salons also, they are getting less salary, means half of the salary, and sometimes the salaries are on not on time because of certain constraints because of the coronavirus. So I just wanting to tell you about that. During this time, please make your resume, because what problem we face is whenever we ask people to send us the resume, they don't have resume at all. So please, if you are free at this time, write it down your resume. If you cannot write down, send it in on WhatsApp, handwritten resume. We can compile it, we can type it, make it nice, but we have a charges for that. We charge 200 rupees for that, the professional resume writing. But if you can do it yourself, then it's very good, because most of the places, the shops are actually open of these typewritings or cyber cafes. If you have nearby, the person who types the resume, they can do it for you. But write down clearly your name, your WhatsApp number, uh, and otherwise the calling number as well. So if you are using two numbers, so you have to mention two numbers there. One is your WhatsApp number, another one is your calling number, so that we, whenever we call, we don't get confused, because the number sometimes, if it's a WhatsApp number and we're calling on that number, it won't work. So make it very very clear that you should have good information in that. Good information means like real information. One is your name, proper name, and on in bracket you can mention your working name, because most of the people are taking their working name different. And also mention your skills properly, what exactly you are. Are you a therapist, or are you a beautician, or are you are a therapist and beautician? Plus on the skill section mentioned, you should mention everything, like your threading, if you know threading, body massages, maybe what kind of body massages you know. Then your, if you know facials, if you know manicures, if you know pedicures, and also if you know any makeups, everything should be mentioned, because the person right now is so confused to take, nobody wants to take chance. If the person doesn't know any skill, if they don't know anything, don't mention it. Don't, because after that sending you back is a big problem because of this coronavirus things going on. So you have to clearly mention, plus you have to be ready for, you will get this less salary. If there is a professional place also, you can get less salary, plus you will be providing food and accommodation, because we are all very clear on our part that we will be telling you everything prior, but I want your information also come to me. And for any further inquiries, you can write down my number, that is 9780755304, and my email id is kavitakundra@gmail.com. So please, I am wishing you all the best for searching your jobs, and hope everything will be open soon, and hotel spas and day spas are working as before, because it is like crucial time and we have to have our patience. Thank you so much. Bye bye.